YouTube, what's good, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back again with another video. It's your boy RPG Maniac. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is the product that we're going to be unboxing. Alright. I got this product off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in buying this product. But before we get into the unboxing, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get into it. The name of these headphones are called the OneOdio Studio Max 1. These are wireless DJ headphones. You get about like 120 hours of playtime, and M1 it says 60 hours. And the front, as you can see, this is the front of it right here. You know what I'm saying? That's the front. Let's get the side. This is the side. This is the back of the box right here, guys. And this is the other side. This has a high-res audio. It has high-res audio wireless as well. And you can use this for iPhone, PC, iPad, Android smartphones, audio mixer, monitors, and iPod. So yeah, let's open this up. All right, we're gonna tear this off right here. Take this off. Take that off. Just put that down there. All right, let's see how this works here. So pulling this out, I'm gonna sit this right here on the side of me. So this is what the box inside of that little box looks like. The power of music, it says. And the power of music, baby. Let's go. All right, so let me back some. I'm gonna let's get that out. Let's see what comes in the box. We'll sit this down here. I love this box. The box is beautiful, guys. So right off the bat, first thing I want to take out is this right here. So this is a transmitter. All right, we're going to take this out. See what this looks like. So this is the transmitter right here, guys. You see, transmitter. Okay, we'll put that right there. Of course, this is the headphones. Let's get that out. I'm gonna just tear that apart. All right. So this is the headphones. All right, pretty stretchy. What it looks like. See, got left side. Check that out. It's pretty cool, right? Got some red inside of the ear muffs. All right. So yeah, these are the headphones. So we're gonna sit this to the side. Put that right there. Okay. Let's see what else we get in here. All right. Put that down there. So as you guys can see, we get some packaging right here. Let's open this up. See what comes in here. Okay, so right here we have OneOdio warning stuff here. Okay. This right here is a manual. You guys can see. That's the manual. Check that out. See? Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's what's up. All right. We got that out the way. All right. We're gonna see what comes in here. Okay. Just gonna peel this a little bit so we can, everything going. Get it going. Oh. Yo, come on, bro. Really? There we go. There we go. All right. So This right here is like a little carrying case. Oop. Wow, it's pretty nice. Here's a little carrying case for it. Pretty big. And of course, you can put the transmitter and the wires inside of this pouch right here. All right, so we're going to zip that. And of course, we already know what's in here. We'll put that here. Um, Fill this. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm trying to be on camera more, so cut me some slack. Right? What the hell? So yeah, now we're gonna open this. It's kind of tough, man. Why y'all playing with me? Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so this is a 3.5 jack right here, the jack cable. All right, got that. See what else we got in here. All right, we have another one right here. I think this twist off. Yep, that twist off. So we got that, and looks like we have a Type C cable here. Type C. Yep. Yeah, USB right here. Let's go. So this is the charger and everything, and yeah, these headphones are pretty cool, and that's my unboxing. I'm gonna hook these up to my Woja Best 4. That's why I purchased them, and I like them, and I seen some pretty great reviews on them. So we're gonna try them and see what it's about. But that's my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. To all of the new subscribers, thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. RPG Maniac out. Peace. Y'all have a beautiful night. Later.